I don't even know what I'm doing with my life, but I'm, I'm getting screwed over here. Hindi, hindi ba bago ang Pilipinas kung kung wala akong ginagawa na it's the same old, 20 years na ako nabubuhay, it's the same old. And I'm done, being honest, I'm done. Like, I'm done being fitting into Filipino culture, and I'm actually doing what I want for the sake of my own sanity and own good. Sure, you might na sure na nakakasakit ba to sa mata ng Diyos or something, but I just don't care, man. Lalo na kung ganito ang sitwasyon sa Pilipinas. It's hopeless here. Kasi it's not that it's really that bad na war torn. Like, it's gotten really expensive lately. Kasi on July 1, there will be a value added tax on digital goods that has 12%, which is the highest on Asia. Let me put this in an example. Imagine you're buying a game on Steam. It's cost like 500 pesos, but the tax added for that will be 60 pesos, and that is a lot. It's 60 pesos, mate. Like, where'd my 60 pesos go? Pretty sure it's not on the bullet trains. It's so high, and mataas yung bilihin. And estudyante lang ako. Like, it varies from region to region, but if you live in a city, tapos maramdaman mo talaga yung downtown at sa outskirts ng town na yan. Mahirap talaga mag-aral. Kahit anong gawin mo. Pero pero hindi mo talaga sakit kung binigyan ka ng false hope. You know that our parents said, or mga from the boomers said, that you should go to college to get this and that, to have a degree, and para makatrabaho ka. Like, if everyone has a degree, like, it wouldn't be that special anymore. It's basically a PvP in this world. I just realized that. Maybe hindi na ngayon, mga a bit long time ago. It's basically a giant PvP around gameplay. Hindi ako makatulong ngayon kasi sa anong pwede kong gawin bukas. Like, I hate being reminded na there are bills to pay. Like, what am I supposed to do with it? Hindi naman ako, kasi unfortunate, tulad ng ibang bata na pagpag lang ginakain, wala talaga. Mga iba ganyan, nasa Kojik pa. But I'ma keep it real. Even though I'm privileged, I still feel this pain among especially na yung gina-screw over ka. Like, it's insane to do the same shit over and over again. It's hot, it's stressful. It sucks being alive in the Philippines. It sucks. Kung may pera lang ako, lilipat ako sa Singapore or somewhere nice. Maturing is realizing na maraming nag-OFW. Maraming nag-aalis sa Pilipinas in search of better life. Like, am I gonna be one of them, or hindi ko talaga alam. But it's making me insane. One thing that doesn't make me go insane is doing the things I enjoy. Drawing, which I suck, but I still have fun despite of the AI stuff. Second is making stories, and once again, AI stuff, not so much. And the third is playing fun video games. I don't play multiplayer games. I quit that, and it's not worth your mental health. Like, trust me, it's not worth the mental effort. It's not worth it. You could play some simple games like Dead Rails on Roblox, like what I'm playing right now. It's game name is called Cult of the Lamb. I kinda like it. But one thing I know for sure that sure it's might hopeless here in the Philippines, but the thing is you're not alone. It it feels like it's a setup from the start. Ganito yung binigay na buhay, ganito, ganito ang nakatakta. Pero that doesn't mean na you need to play BDSM for your entire life. Sure, it's fun to do a BDSM session during a weekend, but it's not fun if you do it for in your whole lifetime. It's not that I want change, it's just I want comfort. It's making me stressful. And it's stressful and di talaga ako na-fit in sa mga kaedad ko nowadays. Cause hindi ko talaga maintindihan. I don't even know how they can party, how they can drink most of the time, like in this situation na how the hell you even drink and party? Drinking drinking too much not bad, but you can enjoy it in moderation if may likas to drink. Pero like, how can you even drink na ganitong situation mo, ganito yung buhay mo na madali ka lang makontento? Hindi ako isang type of person na madali makontento. No, I want the best of the best. So like I said earlier, like those hobbies, it's not like I want to be the best of the best. Like I do that because I'm happy. Do things if you're happy. Since that, and don't care about others. Don't care about what others think of you, anong sasabihin nila. It really saves your sanity for real. Kaya ang wish ko lang kasi na sa mga Pilipino na sana, or pwede rin sa akin na I think we should have more morals, or matuto kang maawa kasi kasi even though Elon Musk said that empathy is a weakness, for me it's the greatest strength you can ever have. Maawa ka sa ibang tao and you empathize with them, and then so you can live and up and work together. That's what makes a person strong. Ability to fight for others. Well, but soon I might start a business or something I know it's not even worth it, but it piques my interest. If it piques my interest, I'll just go with it. But guys, if nasa Pilipinas ka man, wag laban lang kasi it's fuck laban lang. Despite with the taxes, despite with the heat, the commutes are horrible. The jeep, the heat, it's horrible. Laban lang. And and be honest with yourself, have some standards. Yun lang ang wish ko lang. Kasi once you have those standards, it's helpful kasi you at least have some expectation towards other people, lalo na maging loyalist ka lang it's kaya so pagkabukas vote kayo ng tama, vote kayo ng kasi sa huli dapat tayo lang din makinabang. And yeah, ayoko talaga magutom. It sucks. Well, peace out guys. I might make a second next time.